Be honest for a second. Is the very first thing you do when you wake up reach for your phone? Do you tell yourself you'll just check it for 5 minutes, but then find yourself scrolling through TikTok or YouTube for hours? And when you finally sit down to work or study, does your brain just shut down after 10 minutes? Do you feel that heavy cloud of laziness taking over? You probably think the problem is just you, that you're lazy or lack willpower. But the truth is, your brain has been hijacked. Today I'm going to show you how a 24-hour dopamine detox can literally reset your brain, making you super focused and ready to win again. Inside our brain there's this chemical called dopamine. Think of it as the reward molecule. It's what gives us that feeling of satisfaction when we achieve something. Back in the day, our ancestors had to work hard for it, like hunting for food or finding something useful. But today, social media algorithms are literally engineered to keep you hooked. Every reel, every like, every notification gives you a massive hit of dopamine without you doing any work. It's what we call cheap dopamine. And here's the scary part. Your brain's tolerance has become so high that boring things like reading a book, working out, or building your career don't give you that buzz anymore. That's why you can't get into deep focus even when you want to. The only way out is a total brain reset. It's called a dopamine detox. Pick a Sunday or any day off, and for just 24 hours, follow these 3 hard rules. 1. Digital fasting. No phone, no laptop, no internet, no TV. Period. No checking notifications just once. 2. No instant gratification. Cut out the junk food, the sugar, and even the music. Stick to the basics. 3. Solitude and silence. No hanging out with friends. When you start feeling incredibly bored, and you will, just grab a notebook and a pen. Write down your life goals. Sit with your thoughts. Look at nature. For the first 5 or 6 hours, your brain is going to scream. You'll be dying to grab your phone. But once you push through that boredom, something amazing happens. Your mind starts to settle down. When you wake up on Monday morning, you'll feel a massive shift. You'll have this incredible mental clarity. That book or that work project that seemed boring yesterday, it'll actually feel exciting, because your brain is finally free from that cheap dopamine addiction. Life isn't meant to be spent scrolling. It's meant for building a successful career and your own identity. Take this 24-hour challenge today. Are you ready to take back control? Drop a comment below and say, "I am ready."